Hello and welcome to Scottish Car Enthusiasts and Trains TV, and happy Christmas, because it's Christmas Day when I'm filming this. And in one of the last videos I put up on the Cactus, which was plans for 2023, was to get the custom exhaust fitted, the Kraken Powerbomb Back box. And I'm glad to say that I've finally got it fitted. There's another modified car passing by. Focus ST there. Yeah, I'm pleased to say that I got it fitted yesterday on Christmas Eve by SGC Customs, based in Dalkeith. What I'll do is I'll put a comment description of SGC Customs in the description box below if you're looking to get some work carried out by them. But I just thought I'd show you the new exhaust. So this is a Powerbomb. It's a 3.5 inch tail. It had to be a little bit modified just to make it fit, otherwise it would have been hidden by the rear diffuser. So Sam at SGC Customs just fabricated a couple bits of pipe and made it come so it would pop out from under the rear diffuser. So why don't I get this, why don't I start this up and see what you think? Right, I'm just going to start the car up now. So that's just a quick little video. I'll try and get a POV drive done at some point, and so you can hear the car on the move, but I'm going to have to get myself a better camera mount for that, because it's just the one I've got in the car now just shakes and shakes. So you hear more of a rattly dash mount when you do the car. But anyhow, I shall leave you to enjoy your festivities, and I shall catch you in a video very soon. Farewell.